Welcome to the channel. If you're looking to promote better kidney health, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll be discussing 8 fruits that will help cleanse your kidneys fast. These fruits are not only delicious, but they also have numerous health benefits that will help keep your kidneys functioning at their best. Number 1. Cranberries. If you're looking to reduce inflammation in your kidneys, then fresh cranberries are the way to go. These tiny superfruits are loaded with antioxidants that help prevent the progression of kidney disease. Additionally, cranberries have resins that bind to bacteria, decreasing your risk for urinary tract infections. Whether you eat them whole or drink cranberry juice, your kidneys will thank you. Number 2. Lemons. Lemons help to maintain healthier kidneys through their impressive benefits. They contain citrate, a compound that can greatly reduce your kidney stone risk, and high amounts of antioxidants and vitamins that promote kidney health. Additionally, high levels of potassium found in lemons help to lower blood pressure. However, if you already have a potassium restriction, make sure to consult with your doctor. Number 3. Grapes. Grapes are a low-calorie snack that are high in water content, helping you stay hydrated and flushing toxins from your kidneys. They're also loaded with antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and lower inflammation in your kidneys. And if you're on fluid restriction for dialysis, freezing grapes as a fun snack can help keep you hydrated without overloading on fluids. Number 4. Pineapple. Pineapples are not only sweet and delicious, but they also contain bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties that help decrease inflammation in the kidneys. Pineapples can also help lower your risk for kidney stones and promote overall kidney health with their high vitamin C content. Number 5. Apples. An apple a day can keep the doctor away, especially for your kidneys. Apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that helps remove toxins and waste products from the kidneys. They're also packed with antioxidants, flavonoids, and fiber, which promote a healthy heart and lower cholesterol. Number 6. Blueberries. Blueberries are not only a tasty addition to your breakfast or dessert, but they're also loaded with antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. They're also rich in anthocyanins, a natural pigment that gives blueberries their color and provides cardiovascular benefits. Number 7. Watermelon. Watermelons are a summer staple that is not only refreshing, but also contains citrulline, an amino acid that promotes healthy blood vessels and reduces blood pressure. This makes it the perfect fruit for those looking to prevent or slow down kidney disease. They're also loaded with water, which helps flush out toxins from the kidneys. Number 8. Strawberries. Lastly, strawberries are a tasty way to cleanse your kidneys. They're rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and anthocyanins, which all promote overall kidney health. Strawberries also contain ellagic acid, which has been shown to prevent the breakdown of collagen, an essential protein for healthy kidneys. That's all for today. We want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these fruits before? What were your results? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health-related content, stay tuned.